Hi everyone, thanks for watching What I Read Today video. I'm Ketty, I work for KADOKAWA Corporation and I'm in charge of international licensing. The book I'd like to recommend today is a hobby practical book. The title is Cool Snacks for Home Time. I'll introduce you to a lot of cool snacks that will cool you down just by looking at them, to make on a hot day or when you're entertaining at a barbecue. If you have cool snacks, your summer time at home will be more enjoyable and cooler. This book introduces a wide range of cool sweets that can be easily prepared and enjoyed at home this summer, when the heat wave is expected. In recent years, shaved ice machines for home use have become more compact, and full-fledged shaved ice machines are now readily available. In addition to shaved ice made with shaved ice machines, the book includes recipes for easy jellies, easy flavor changes using store-bought ice creams, parfaits in the glass, and Asian sweets. If you have cool sweets in your freezer, your remote work in the summer may be even more successful. If you have any query or an offer, please feel free to contact us. You can also check our website to find more titles. The URL is https://www.kadokawa.co.jp/. Thank you for watching. See you next time, bye bye.